With the intuitive Yaskawa Weld Builder, creating welding programs becomes accessible to everyone. All common seam types can be welded without programming knowledge, efficiently and with consistent quality. Understandable online tutorials and intuitive operation keep the learning curve short. The welding cobot is compatible with all common welding sources and can be reconfigured flexibly for your workload. The welding commands are learned via the manual guidance and direct teaching buttons, or entered directly via Smart Pendant. The dry run function can be used to test the created weld path. All common welding seams are possible. For example, fillet weld seam, fillet weld seam with weaving, fillet welding with chain seam, overlap seam with weaving, down seam, circle seam, circle seam with weaving. The high path accuracy is due to Yaskawa's decade-tested algorithms, as well as the high rigidity of the robot. The Smart Frame technology detects the orientation of the tablet and adjusts the coordinate system. The Weld Builder is the ideal entry level for the Yaskawa programming language. Consult with a representative via our website.